Hello. So this is such a long time coming. I haven't made a video, I think in a couple of months. I have been recording stuff, but I just haven't made the time to sit down and edit it. And I've had these things probably for over a month now too, but I just have not unboxed them since I wanted to record unboxing. But basically today I'm going to be unboxing a keyboard I got. It's the V68 Alice keyboard. It's so pretty. I was looking around at different Alice keyboards for a while and finally ended up deciding on this one. Honestly, I'd say main factors because I liked the color and also that it was aluminum. Since before I was looking at the Fecker Alice, I forget the number, but it was made out of plastic, the base, so I was like, yeah, I really do like aluminum, just because my main keyboard right now, the Womier SK71, I'm in love with it and it's aluminum, so I was like, yeah, I want to stick with that. And then literally haven't even opened this outside of the packaging at all. But these are the keycaps and I got these probably just a couple weeks ago, so I was waiting for these to come before I recorded a video, but I will show these. They are the Bakery Bear keycaps. And then for the switches, I got them from Osume, the Sakura switches. But I believe these came in 70, a pack of 70. I believe that's all I needed for this keyboard. And then these are linear switches, so since I was ordering from Osume, I don't usually order very often from there, so when I do, I love getting the free shipping. So since I was already getting something, I thought that I would also try out their matcha switches, just the 10 pack. I know it is not as much bang for your buck, but I didn't want to commit to getting these unless I liked them. So I'll also be doing a sound test with these just for fun. So yeah, I got these. These are the only scissors I have besides cooking scissors. They're like from the dollar store, so eventually I know I need to get some new ones. But let's go ahead and take this off. I bought these keycaps from a small company in Japan called keebs. They're really cute and have a variety of keycaps. Some of them you can find on other websites, some of them they're a bit more niche. They were very quick to respond to any questions I had over Instagram. Shipping did take a bit, but I wasn't in a rush. These keycaps specifically were on back order, but they're so cute, so definitely worth the wait. Oh, they included this note and stickers, so that's really sweet. If anyone wants 10% off, feel free to use that code if you want to purchase from a small business. I got too excited too quickly and ended up dropping a good chunk, as you can see, but I picked up most of them. I'm a little clumsy. I was really excited to open this and take a look, so I already opened this prior to recording, and you can see that I already put on there one switch and keycap just to kind of test it out. I think that sounds so good. I'm probably going to finish assembling everything all together on another day since I'm about to go pick up my birthday cake. Okay, now I'm finally all done with putting together my keyboard. These are the finished results. So cute. The only thing I'll say that was kind of different from how I was expecting it is that the base itself is more of a light gray, light silver color, rather than I thought it would kind of be more of a beige, or almost like not rose gold but a very light brown. So I think the coloring was just kind of off in some of the pictures I was referencing online. Just for a color comparison, here is the Womier SK71 next to my new board. So you can tell that it's a little bit lighter. And this one, I'd say this one is more of a true silver gray. Overall, I love how it turned out. I do wish that I got the matcha keycaps from Osume instead, just because I really did prefer that more tactile feel and the sound also. But still very happy with it, so let me know what you guys thought in the comments. Yeah, just your opinion on it, if there's anything that you would change, or if you have any additional questions about anything here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're interested in more keyboard stuff, crystals, cutesy, I don't know, just trying out random stuff. I do want to be better about posting on here, and I'll try to be more consistent. So if you do like any of that stuff, feel free to subscribe, comment, like the video. It's all very appreciated. I love hearing your guys' comments, so that's my favorite part for sure, when I get to interact with people here who have similar interests.